Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo IQOO 5 Pro and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, before we will start, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi option. Then we can enter the Play Store. And of course, if you're not already logged in, you will have to do it right now. Then let's tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Let's enter Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all installed apps, and just tap on Updates Available in order to check what you can download. As you can see, in my case, I've got only 7. So basically, all you have to do is to simply mark the one you'd like to download, you'd like to update. So let me update the Gmail also. Of course, you can mark all of them or only 2. It's up to you. And now just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied to the apps, so the apps will be updated. Basically, you do not really need to do anything more. So actually, this is it. This is how to update the apps in your Vivo IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.